Greetings. I am a digital representative of GFE Solutions. At GFE Solutions, we believe that transparency is not just a principle, it's a practice that drives the success of every project we undertake. With over 5 years of dedicated service in the European market, our approach to engineering project management sets a standard for transparency, thorough planning, meticulous monitoring, and comprehensive reporting. Our journey with each client begins with transparent planning. At GFE, we understand that the foundation of any successful engineering project lies in a well-laid plan. That's why we involve our clients at every step, ensuring their vision and requirements are intricately woven into the project's blueprint. For convenience, all tasks performed are summarized in the form of a Gantt chart. Here we can see which engineers are engaged in which task, and customer, and for how long. This view helps us decide where we can take on work and where we have a potential pause. Transparency extends into our monitoring processes. GFE project teams are committed to providing real-time updates and insights. This continuous monitoring allows us to maintain the highest quality standards and swiftly address any challenges that may arise. Our clients are never in the dark. They are integral participants in the journey, kept informed through every phase of their project. Reporting at GFE is more than a formality. It is an integral part of our transparent relationship with clients. Our reports are detailed, clear, and structured to provide a comprehensive view of the project's progress. From timelines and milestones to resource allocation and risk assessments, our clients receive all the information they need to feel confident and informed. In a realm as complex and dynamic as engineering services, transparency is not just beneficial, it's essential. At GFE Solutions, we pride ourselves on the clarity and openness we bring to every project. Whether you're tackling a new venture or looking for solutions in ongoing projects, our team is ready to bring this transparency, along with our expertise, to your doorstep. Looking for an engineering partner you can trust? Contact us today to experience the GFE difference.